Hello again. So, I just need to do one more thing that to show you guys. This right here's my other cat named Shishi. Look at her. Aw. She's happy right now. Do you guys like her? She acts a bit naughty sometimes, but sometimes she always asks for food, but she is still a very patient kitten. And her and my other cat named Cuddles' birthday is until April. So I'm pretty sure I might show the rest of my family's face to you guys until summer or something. So I'll still see you guys tomorrow, though. Have a nice day, everyone.